to Animal Go, my channel. Today we are going to be opening jumbo puppets and one simple dimple. I think there's about, I don't know, I'm just estimating, but about 300. Because I think each of these puppets count 100. Alright, which one do you want to open first? Let's go with this one. The tiny one. Oh my god, guys, this is a cool puppet. It has a little bit of bubbles, but it's huge. Like, this is like, not like a lot of bubbles, but look at this bubble. This bubble right here. This one I'm talking about. Salah, let's sing the color song. Oh yeah. Okay, let's go. Blue, purple, red, and pink. Green too. They're all our favorite colors. Okay, I chose the big jumbo unicorn puppet, Sila. This is crazy. Oh wow, this is jumbo. This is really jumbo, Sila. This is big time jumbo. Guys, this is the unicorn puppet. So long ago, I did give my small unicorn puppet away. And look what I got. A big, huge, jumbo unicorn puppeta. Hi guys, welcome back to Animal Go ASMR. Listen to the sound. Satisfying. The satisfying round is here. That is so cool. Isn't that, guys? Hope you like the silent ASMR. Okay, Salah, I really like this unicorn puppet, but I think we need to move on to the next one. Oh, yeah. Guys, this is a 10 times bigger square than my small, tiny square? Yeah, my tiny square. Let's compare these two. Oh my god, look. Alright, guys, so now we are going to be giving Salah the scissors to do the honor. Wow, guys, this looks amazing. I love it so much. I love the puppet so much. Guys, would you think of living in this whole entire puppet? I'm absolutely loving the square puppet. Don't you like it, Salah? I'm addicted. Addicted? Alright, let's move it to the next one. Alrighty-o! Keep it going! Whoa, guys. Whoa. Like, I just need to say whoa. This one, I think, is the longest out of all. Salah, I think the official winner of the puppet rounds that actually sounded great is the dinosaur. Definitely the dinosaur. This guy is ginormous in length. Pops very nicely too. He is declared the winner of the puppet rounds. Woo! So guys, this didn't really work. I mean, 4 popped up, but yeah. Maybe we should try it with a bigger one next time. Goodbye!